Hi guys, Rose here with a Rubik's Cube. I am about to go nerdy up in your asses because I will try to solve this little fucker right here in 5 minutes. Maybe less, we'll see. I don't know. I'm sure anybody can solve this now, but it's just a matter of, challenging yourself, how fast you can do it. But, yeah, I have a stopwatch right here. Okay, we'll try, and I mixed it up already, so it doesn't take up too much time. But if you think I'm cheating, okay, fine, whatever. I'll mix it up in your face. All right, so that's enough because I'm gonna take too much time. All right, so yeah, I'm just bored. I'm waiting for the girlfriend to get ready, so might as well make a fucking video, right? Okay, let's go. All right, okay, let's go. All right, start now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna stand up a little bit. It's fucking hot. I should turn on it. Fuck, it's fucking tight. Mother fuck face. That's what she said. That was kind of late response. I'm sure there's a proper way of holding this thing. I just haven't figured it out yet. Or maybe I should just lube it up. It's so damn tight. Like your mama's. Psst. Fuck. Can you see better? Should stand up. Okay. We are young. It'd be cool if I can beatbox while doing this. I can't, sorry. Not talented to beatbox for you guys. Okay. For those of you telling me this is nerdy, yeah, I know, but you know what? For me, I think this is a panty dropper right here. It's like what Tree Song says. This right here's a panty dropper. I've always wanted to do this, and now I figured out how to do it. Why not show it off? Oops. So, should be quiet because I can't even focus and this thing is so fucking tight. Okay. We can do this. We can do this, Rose. Just fucked it up. Can you guys see? Fuck. Alright, so that's that. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Woohoo! Fuck, come on, bitch. Yeah, what? Okay, stop. Woohoo! 3 minutes, I know it's mirrored, but it's 3 minutes, 24 seconds, 0.2. What, bitches? I'm such a fucking nerd. I'm a nerd, so yeah, that's that. So I challenge you to do it. Do it. You can. I believe in you. Alright guys, so peace out. Nerd status.